Elevators here at 11 Maiden Lane, here in Lower Manhattan, New York City. And look at what we got. We got some original vintage elevators, I believe from the 60s. I'm not quite sure what brand these are, and obviously they're not original to the building, because this building was built in like the 1900s or 1910s, but there's still vintage elevators right in the middle of Lower Manhattan. And pretty easy to access too, actually, so. Here we are on 15. 15. Let's go to 1. Wow. These are really, really cool. We'll get a cab view. The cab is not in the greatest condition. The ceiling could definitely use a little work. But these are still really, really cool though. I'll get a close-up view of these fixtures. I believe there's some kind of vintage monitor fixture, but I'm not 100% sure. I have not seen them in person up to this date though, so. Ooh. Here we are on 1. You going up?
Yeah.
What floor would you like?
14.
Oh. Don't mind me, I just like elevators.
Okay.
These are really old ones dating back to like the 60s.
Yeah, I can tell.
Yeah. It's 12. Right, you have a good one. There's your phone. I'd imagine there's a service cabinet behind it. Anyways, here we are in 15. Very nice. Alright, I'm going to send this car downstairs and I'll see if I can get the other one. As you can see, that car has a single slide door, but that one is 2-speed. And then I believe this one is an original manual. I'll have to check that one out. Anyways, here's a view from back here. You can see the top of the World Trade Center over there. I'm gonna see if I can get on the manual before I leave here. But here's a little look at the building. Very nice, historic building. GAL Jet Plus call stations up here. If I'm not mistaken, I think someone said these were either Surges or Staleys, but I'm not positive. go to 1. You heading down? I got it.
Thank you.
1. You have a good one. You know what? I'm going to give this one more ride. This car is significantly smaller than the other one. Really, really cool elevators. I believe these used to be manual Otises when the building was built, and judging by the noises they make as they go up and down, I think the motors are original. A little bouncy when you get near the top. There's the interlock. And we're gonna get off on 1. We'll get a close-up view of these fixtures. Judging by the arrows, they might be paint, but honestly, I have no idea. Very rare, beautiful vintage fixtures. We'll get a cab view of this one since, like I said, it's a bit smaller. Shape's identical, but smaller. I'm gonna end on the top floor. I'm gonna get some stills of these. And I'm gonna get off here. Oh, there it goes.